friends, we're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Suno with good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we will search about Suno app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Suno and you will click here. Then if you find updates, you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.